Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download maps to use offline on an iPhone. Now if you want to download the maps or the Apple Maps on an iPhone to use it offline but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the thing which you can do is you may simply use the Apple Maps. So Apple Maps does not allow you to download the app directly, but you can use the offline mode with Siri suggestion for more indirect approach. So you may open the Apple Maps on your device. So if you find the Apple Maps, you may simply open it, or you may also scroll from the top and you may simply search Apple Maps like this. So simply search the Apple Maps. So after that you just need to open the Apple Maps on a device and you need to search for a location or destination you want to access offline. So simply search for the location you want to watch offline. So I'll simply search a location, and after that click on the option of search, and once the location is displayed you need to click on the option of share icon. So after clicking on the option of share icon, so you just need to add it to your favorite, or you just need to tap on the option of favorite to keep the location easily accessible offline. So you won't fully have offline map, but you can quickly access the redirection to the saved location when you're offline. Alternative thing which you can do is you may simply use the Google Maps on your iPhone and you may simply download the specific areas to use the offline. So that's it. That's how you can download the maps to use offline on an iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.